Hi guys, hope you're well. Just wanted to do a really quick video and actually give you a preview inside Niche One and show you how it works. First thing I'm going to do is show you how it works with Amazon affiliate products, and then I'll do another video showing how you can get information for ClickBank products and like affiliate marketing and when you're promoting info products. But the first thing I want to do is show you sort of inside, show you the dashboard, show you how easy it is, and show you how to use it for Amazon products first. The first thing I'm going to show you is just the research side of it. So what Niche One does, it does a lot of stuff. You see, it actually does ever such a lot when you're trying to find a niche, when you're looking at competition in a niche, when you're looking at keywords. The research that would cause you to go around hundreds of sites if you wanted to do it properly, you're able to do all inside Niche One, which is really, really cool. And the second function of it is you can pretty much create the content by aggregating what's out there already on, I don't mean copying content, I'll show you how that works. Basically you get all the resource, all the information, and you're able to construct your own content out of it really, really quickly. So if you're ever stuck for what to say when you're promoting affiliate products or Amazon affiliate products or info products, this will really, really help you. I've put the link to Niche One in my description below. It will take you through to this page, and you can check out the video here. It will give you a full review of exactly what you get with Niche One. The other reason to check it out is the bonus, my bonus. And I know that sounds pretty sort of conceited saying that because it's my bonus, but what I'm doing on Monday is a product creation webinar that will show you how to build the funnel and get affiliates from ClickBank and make an awesome product that sells. Niche One doesn't do that for you. You can get all this information if you wanted to sell affiliate products or even make your own products and get the information to do so. One of the things it won't do for you is actually build a converting funnel. So my bonus, I thought, well, that's a big missing piece of the puzzle. You got this ebook, you got this PDF, you got your articles ready. Who's going to see them? Who's going to read them? How do you promote it? How do you make a product? I'm going to show you in that webinar. You get free access to it as well, and you get free access when you pick up Niche One. I've set it up so you'll get your bonus. It's only available through my affiliate link through the page below, but well worth checking out. So check that out, and also this video, we'll get straight into it. Okay, so here we are in the this is the first page you see when you log in. It's no download or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about filling up your computer with viruses or it not working properly. It's all done through an app online. You just need an internet connection. The first thing you do is create a campaign. So you enter your campaign in here. You can see I've put tester, but I'm going to put tester 2 to keep it original. Here we go, submit that. And then you've got all the options. So as I say, it does a lot of stuff. Okay, you've got an editor here that I'll go through in another video, where you can do lots of stuff here. You can even post directly on WordPress. You can even download a PDF. This is more when you've actually researched information and got information. I'll show you how to do that, but for now I'm just going to show you the research section and all the tools you get. So you've got all the tools here that you can actually use. They're sites, obviously real sites online, and you've just got all of them access, so you can do it really, really quickly within here. Target keyword as well. You can do market research to check competition and so on. You can also search for specific areas within a niche, whether you want articles or audio, or you want to check out blogs. So to give an example of that Amazon affiliates, you'll want to check out the blogs to see the competition, and also to be able to see what people are writing about. If you're ever stuck, if you've ever tried building an Amazon affiliate blog, one thing that you're going to need is lots of content. That can be hard to do. This makes it super easy because you can see the blogs that are out there at the click of a button. Keyword analysis, all of these keyword tools you can get to with one click, so you can compare the two as well. So you might go to Ubersuggest, and then you might check Google Trends, and then you might check SEO Book and Keyword Spy, and you can check and find all those keywords. Free sites as well. These are just like Blogger, Hub Pages, WordPress for more information. and then you've also got, you could use this if you want to, this is a bit different, but if you want to buy domains and do a quick search for your website to set it up, made super easy because you can get to all the main ones really fast. So with Amazon affiliates, I'll just show you how I would use this tool to research Amazon affiliate niche super quickly. All of this sometimes opens up in this window, or it goes direct to the site. So you could see here I clicked on Amazon and it goes straight over to Amazon. A lot of the stuff's done within the niche one, but some of it will take you straight to the site. And what I recommend you do I'll show you how to research this in another video, but one of the best things you can do, because it links straight through to the hot new releases when you're trying to find a good niche to go into, the way I recommend you do it is we've got all the hot new releases here, and you sort of search through and you see what's about. You can also use these as well to go through, but to make it easy I'm just going to go to one of these, see more new releases in electronics. Sorry, I want to go here. This is what I was looking for, movers and shakers. And you can see, so you got the new releases, which is great, but the movers and shakers shows you the stuff that's actually selling now, like selling really well. You've got electronics, you've got video games, you've got toys and games as well. I'm going to just stick to camera and photo just to show you, and it makes it super easy. So you know, this is Amazon affiliates, you know when you're searching for a good niche what you're looking for. We can go straight to the movers and shakers. You've got all of this as well that you could go through. So you find a good niche and you're looking for a theme that's very popular. So you can see in cameras, one of the most popular ones is sports cameras. So you might use that as your niche. You start wide. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use this tool, but I just wanted to show you the research part. You'd start wide and you can see that sports cameras is very popular. Hidden cameras or spy cameras is very popular. So I'll show you how you start researching the information before you start editing all the content. So the next thing you do after you sort of got a wide, so we've looked at the movers and shakers and we've seen that, for instance, you do more searching than this, but we've seen, for instance, sport cameras is very popular. What you do then is use the keyword analysis tool. You could also use the market research and have a look around, see what's out there, see for popular videos, up-to-date videos on sports cameras, check Google News, check forums, see popular products, and you could build a site around stuff that's selling right now. You could also do this, a search for articles and so on. I'm going to show you that bit in another video where you actually start writing on the content and start aggregating it and how it works. But for now, you'd go into the keyword analysis and you'd pick one of these tools. Now, just to say, some of these tools, because it's operating within this niche one app, some of them will say you're going to have to go direct to the site. So when you click on them, some will open up here and some will say, look, you're going to have to go direct to the site, which is fine because it's exactly the same. But it's got all the links here, so you can compare these. One of my favorite is Ubersuggest. So I've gone straight to Ubersuggest, so it works faster. And you can see here sports camera. So what I'd suggest you do, once you've got a niche, I'll show you how to do all the content stuff in another video, but once you've got a niche, you could create a site around sports cameras, but you can pick an area without a huge amount of competition. So when you look here, this is how difficult it's going to be to rank. It's not a cut and shut number at all, it's just a recommendation. But you could see the sort of, there we go, sports cameras 1080p review, relatively easy to rank. So you could focus on 1080p sports cameras. The other thing you could do is actually take the very best selling products and you could do it around that. You could even go more like a spy camera, or you could even go to a battery powered camera. And in this instance, because you know that they're selling really well, okay, you could even go for an IP camera, so one that connects like for security around your home to keep an eye on the baby and so on, connects to your mobile phone, and indoor IP camera, most secure IP camera, most reliable IP camera, stuff like that, and you can very, very quickly research. And the other thing you can do with the tool is actually produce the research and the content for it. So when you go back into the tool, I'll show you this in the next video, but you can then start going into creating and look around free content. Now you don't just get that content and copy and paste it and be able to create 100-page sites with the click of a button, but you can definitely use it for research, so you're never stuck, especially when you get into info articles with Amazon, which can be tough. It will make sure that you're never stuck. So I'll show you that in another video. I just wanted to show the research part. There's far more that you can do with it. I'm going to also show you how to do it for ClickBank as well, and which is the same sort of thing, but researching a sort of area. I'll show you how to do it, and well worth picking up. The main benefit that Niche One will give you is if you struggle with research, if you struggle with all the keyword tools, this gives it all to you, all the main ones. I mean, some of these in here I don't even use, and I do okay for research. It's got more than enough. You can really, there's loads more that you can do. You can do a target keyword and have it go off and find all the information for you. You can even do a keyword analysis, so you can actually do it. So these are Google commands, so you can see your competition. So you can see who's actually trying to promote and who you're competing with. And there's just so much that you can do with it. You can actually search for other affiliate products on ClickBank, Commission Junction, JVZoo, or an affiliate search as well. And you've got like free sites as well, Blogger. So a lot of this is for, and then the buy domains straight from here. So you'll be able to, with it. So it'll save you time. You don't have to go all around the web. That's the main benefit with the research. And then you can take all that information and actually load it in and download it as a PDF if you wanted to create a report on like sports cameras to give away for Amazon, or if you, it's definitely for ClickBank, if you wanted to create a simple report quickly or post it directly on WordPress and edit it, makes it super fast. So check it out below, check out my page below. I've got a full review of it. The page is in the description, or the link is in the description. You'll see a review here, and you also get that bonus. That bonus takes place on Monday. Hang on, I'll just give you the right date. So it takes place on Monday the 1st of July, and it will give you a complete product creation webinar, which focuses on how to build the funnel, because you can create a product really quickly using Niche One, and then how to actually sell it. Now that will work for both affiliates, and it will work if you want to create your own products. So well worth looking at. Check it out below. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again and show you more of the content creation side and how to use the tool. Okay guys, I'll speak to you soon.